filtered and safely stored before we leave. As a courtesy to our passengers, we ask that there be no eating, drinking, or smoking on board. In just a few moments, we will begin our trip to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza. Thank you.
This time you no more boarding our fault that yellow lamp you have to introduce us. It's actually arriving shortly. No more boarding because they put a departure. Are we clear?
Oh, here we go. Are you ready for this flight, Daddy? Here we go.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Daddy, we're flying. Daddy, look at his wings. I was gonna say, we could fly. Pegasus can fly to a
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Drummer myself. I'd like to welcome to the Disneyland Resort. For you, Drummer did the remain open till 11 p.m. Disney Sullivan Adventure remains open till 10 p.m. Take us now to the day here at the Disneyland Resort. Charger clear.
Daddy, we're going to different houses.
Welcome to the Disneyland Resort 70th celebration, where 70 years of magic, memories, and happiness fill every corner of the happiest place on Earth. We're now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you are here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Welcome back to our Magic Key holders. Unlock more magic today with your pass by checking the Magic Key portal on the Disneyland app for your latest discounts and special offerings under Extra. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order food for pickup. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone who visits, smoking and vaping are not permitted in our theme parks, the Esplanade between the parks, or in the downtown Disney District. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, watch your step, and exit to the driver's left. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you have a happy and memorable visit to the Disneyland Resort, where we've been celebrating happy for the last 70 years.
Please wait for the tram to come to full stop. All right, letting watch your step. This is driver's left-hand side only. Letting watch your step. Takes the forward to the driver's.
Daddy, Packaging.
in slow motion. Thank you. For your safety, the remaining
Strollers should be folded and safely stored before we leave. As a courtesy to other passengers, we ask that there be no eating, drinking, or smoking on board. As a reminder, this is the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram, serving the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structures. We'll begin our trip shortly. Thank you.
Once again, friends, thank you for remove all backpacks, no shoes, and strollers from the strollers not complete folded. No adult lap seating, please. Only 4 or 5 people per row. And this is the final boarding, friends. Final boarding, please. Welcome, lower your head and watch your step. And at this time means no more boarding. If you don't drop the yellow light, please do not do so. Another tram will be here shortly. For my friends so far, please remain seated with the doors closed. This tram is ready to depart, and driver, you are clear.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía esté en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Driver, you are clear.
If you'll be leaving the guest parking area and returning later today, just show today's parking ticket to re-enter the parking area. You can enjoy magic all year round by upgrading via the official Disneyland app before the end of the day. As you travel through our resort, we'd like to remind you that our guest parking areas have a speed limit of 14 miles per hour. We ask that you please observe this speed limit and yield the right-of-way to Disneyland Resort vehicles, whether you're walking or driving.
Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to full and completed stop. And I have indicated that it's safe to exit to the driver right-hand side only, and the driver right-hand side only, please.
Woo!